What's new? What's happening at Islands of Adventure? We're gonna find out in this video. Hey, what's going on everybody? Rick and Nikki here.
Hello.
I like the way you're looking today, honey. You look sharp.
Thank you. I wonder, why am I wearing this shirt, Rick?
Oh, just for fun. Let's go see what's happening inside the theme park. But first, a couple things in CityWalk I need to share with you, such as the Starbucks will be closing down next week for renovations, but it will have a temporary home. And that temporary home will be inside of the great movie escape. There'll be a little section in there to get your Starbucks once the other one closes down for its renovation. Finally, the CityWalk splash pad is working. So nice to have this attraction up and running again. Epic Universe has set the precedent. Splash pads are attractions. Oh, so close. Part of the wings have returned to Hemisphere Dancer. It won't be long now. Okay, we're inside the park now. Not sure what type of updates we're gonna find, but I do know there is new food at Thunder Falls.
Ooh, yummy.
We should probably try some.
Okay.
The adventure begins, but ours began earlier today when we got on I-4. There is something I'm keeping my eye on in the trading company, so I need to check it out. The Eye of the Kraken still hasn't returned, but I have found another eye. The eyes have it, everyone. This is a Jurassic World Cup, $25. How's it feel, Nikki?
Well, it's definitely like three-dimensional, and
Yeah.
it's kind of rubbery, but not super squishy.
Gotcha.
Yeah, it
feels like rubberized somehow.
Yeah, it's kind of neat. I really like it.
Yeah. Well, good thing I'm keeping my eye on this place. What do we have in the mirror today? It's a handsome she-devil. Let's go see if there's anything inside of the fudge and candy shop. Or is it the candy and fudge shop? I'm confused now. Nikki loves this fudge. There's a special, buy 4 pieces, get 2 free. And we have some seasonal fudge. Summer fireworks is what this is. And it's all made in-house. FYI, at the Last Chance fruit stand, you can get some port of entry breakfast items. A bacon, egg, and cheese croissant, $8.99. A ham and cheese, an egg ham and cheese empanada, $8.99. And muffins for $4.79. Which way do I want to go? Well, lunch is not until like another hour and 10 minutes. So if we go this way, I think we'll get to Thunder Falls too quick. So we better go this way. Well, the Cat in the Hat teapot not working, but it gives me hope now that the splash pad and CityWalk is working. Maybe one day the teapot will work again too. Gertrude McFuzz knows Father's Day is coming up, so it has some Father's Day merchandise right out front. Father of All Things t-shirt, a ringer tee for $30. Father of All Things mug. Pretty tall. How much was it, Nikki?
$17.
$17 for that tall mug. Bye-bye, Seuss Landing. All the rides this morning at 10 a.m. were 5-minute waits. The Lost Continent, home to food and merchandise. We're not eating in here, but we will look at some merchandise. The sign tells me Jurassic Park, Toon Lagoon, and what are we missing here? Fudge and candy? I'm looking for some specific How to Train Your Dragon merchandise. Let's see if it's in here. Here it is. They have Astrid and Hiccup Hop Funkos for $20. Also, Toothless, but Toothless is $38. Roaring Minis, Toothless and Deadly Natter, $40 each. So some cool How to Train Your Dragon toys. So just like the 5 and Dime at Universal Studios Florida, the All Hallows Eve Boutique has the Fallout merchandise. This is the first HHN house announced. T-shirts inside of here. Same price, $33. But they also have a Bring someone with you t-shirt. It was $33 for the Don't Go By Yourself t-shirt. Into Hogsmeade, and we have a Conductor Huggins sighting.
Welcome to Hogsmeade!
Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure. 135-minute wait. What do you think about that wait time, Nikki Flix?
Ooh, why does it feel like it's so much longer now?
Well,
oh gosh.
They have an express line now. So they have to pause the standby line to let express people go by.
Ouch.
Today, busy or not busy? There is no one in line for butterbeer. That is shocking. Well, maybe one person. The construction walls have shifted to reveal the floor here is either new or it's really, really clean now. And I'm trying to figure out, is this grate new? Or has it been here?
It would be great if you knew, Rix.
Oh, you're clever. Cleverness and sarcasm must come in the shirt.
It does.
No one in line for this butterbeer cart either. Apparently, 10:15 on a Thursday morning is the best time to get butterbeer. And into the next land. The wait time for Velocicoaster is gonna have to remain a mystery for now. Mystery solved. It's just a 25-minute wait. Nikki's already in line. We got in line at 10:20 a.m. A little more of the queue. Just got notification the ride is delayed. Well, this is the time we would have been on the ride. But good news, the line had just started to move again. As we get to some raptors. Okay, just got off the ride Velocicoaster. Part of Nikki's summer fun.
Yeah!
It's the summer of Nikki.
Yay, I like it. It's great.
So we got in line at 10:20. We rode the ride, got my stuff out of the locker at 10:58. So that's the entire experience.
Was, what, 40 minutes?
It was delayed.
Yeah,
a little bit of a delay.
Yeah.
But fun. And,
It was.
And now the restaurant that we want to eat at will be open.
Yeah. So perfect timing. It worked out.
Outside of Burger Digs, the patio area, no fence. I love it. On the facade of the Pizza Predatoria, new movie posters for Jurassic World Rebirth. In theaters July 2nd, this is one of the summer movies I want to see. From outside of the Jurassic Outfitters, I see one new thing for $55, the interactive Aqualops. I guess that's what it is. But it is, I mean, it's cute, so adorable. I even like the packaging is cute. A child's matching t-shirt for $25. This is a really cool figurine of the T-Rex, like at the end of the first movie. I would love to tell you the price. I have checked several of these, and none of them show the price. A Jurassic pop-up book, $75. It's behind glass, so you know it's expensive, but sometimes even I am surprised at some of the pricing. And I'm here all the time, so I am used to theme park pricing, but wow, 75 bucks. It looks like Universal trimmed some of the hedges here. Let's get a shot. See this T-Rex? That's how hungry I am. I don't know what Nikki's going to get, but I'm going to get the new thing in Thunder Falls. So this is a new item. Not sure how long it's going to be here, if it's just a summer menu item or what, but this is the Engine Empanada Dog Platter for $12.99. Spliced beef empanada and Nathan's famous hot dog, tomato, red onion, aji amarillo, and cilantro garlic sauce served with fries. And the Summer of Nikki deserves a dessert. The signature key lime cheesecake, $6.49. All done with lunch. An empanada dog.
I need to take a bath. It is the messiest food I've ever eaten in my life.
Wow.
I highly recommend that you deconstruct it. You take it apart before you eat it, because it's just slippery.
Or bring all the napkins.
All the napkins.
Now, Thunder Falls, all the food, always good.
Always good.
Love it.
Yes.
The hot dog, a savory Nathan's hot dog, it was awesome. I'll let you speak to the beef empanada part of it because you eat more empanadas than I do. What do you think of that?
Oh, it was great. It was just like how you get in the park. It was very delicious. It's just, yeah, it was just messy.
And it
Sliding right out of there.
it was good together.
Yeah, it was good together.
But like, did it need to happen? Probably not.
No.
I mean, like peanut butter and chocolate, that needed to happen for Reese Cups. That needed to happen. Do we need an empanada dog? Probably not, but it was all very tasty and delicious.
I mean, it's fun. It's a fun idea, but it's just messy as heck. And yeah, just take it apart and eat it as its parts.
and since it is the Summer of Nikki, we got dessert.
Yes.
Got the cheesecake, key lime cheesecake. Nothing to say about that other than I think Nikki thought I ate too much of it.
No.
Okay.
No.
I wasn't hogging it.
No.
I did eat all the back end of it though.
Yes, you ate all the crunchy, nice parts.
Well, you started at the front, so I started at the back.
All right, well, whatever.
It was good. Favorite here.
Yeah.
Although, especially for me, because I'm not really, surprisingly, not a key lime guy.
No, you're not. But when it's in a cheesecake, it's a little less tart.
Yeah.
More creamy. So yeah.
That is my favorite key lime dessert. It is. I rode Kong Skull Island during the Orlando Informer meetup, and I was in the middle of the bus. And actually, when you're in the middle of the bus, the fact that this attraction is now 2D, not so bad. I have one question that needs to be answered in Toon Lagoon today. And it is not about Ripsaw Falls. Is the Popeyes and Bluto's barges waterfall working? No, it is not. What in the world is happening here? It's been months, multiple months, since the waterfall's been working here at the old ship. Man, it's fun for the riders and the viewers. Inside of the Comic Strip Cafe, I showed this graphic a couple videos back, and I called them cubbies. But what I realized when I was editing, on the other side of this wall are actual lockers for Ripsaw Falls. So it's like we're looking into the lockers. Clever. Inside of the main Toon Lagoon store, some more Hello Kitty merchandise I need to show you. This little skirt or tutu is $40. The hat is $27. This is actually a blanket that rolls up and is carryable with a little handle and everything. And then this little purse is $40. Top Glow has a few new prizes to win. A couple of Fall Guys I haven't seen before. Here's another one I haven't seen. Cute though. Inside of the Wolverine store. Since Father's Day is coming up, Super Dad shirts. This one here is $27. This sleeveless one is $33. $28 for the Super Dad hat. This thin Super Dad hoodie. It's almost like a t-shirt, but it's a little heavier, but not quite as heavy as a regular hoodie. Is on sale. How much was it on sale for, Nikki? $44. Wow, what a deal. Well, I guess that will just do it for today. Thanks for coming along with us.
Don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun.
Chihuahua.